All right, so you're welcome. Compliments of the season to you. So what we want to do this time is basically to look at the cryptocurrency market today and basically explain a few things as to what we need to do to essentially profit from cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market is very hot right now, and that's basically primarily because of the cycles that cryptocurrencies go through, right? So there's usually what we call the bear market and then the bull market. The bear market is a market where everything is slow, right? Everything is slow, the gains in cryptocurrency are not much. When you can see the cryptocurrency Bitcoin move up today and tomorrow it comes down. Really, you can't have sustainable gains during a bear market. And the reason for a bear market is number one, is just that it's a cycle. The markets are a cycle. The economies of the world are a cycle. There are boom and bust cycles. There are economic booms and economic recessions. That's just the way the world works. Even in the Bible, it's been said before, times of abundance, times of scarcity. It's just cycles, right? Nothing is really wrong, but it's being able to understand these cycles and being able to take advantage of these cycles that matter a lot. Right, so this is going to be the first class of a series of cryptocurrency classes and sessions that we're going to have, especially from now into January and so on and so forth, right? So that's what it's about. So we're going to be explaining a few basic things, a few fundamental things on crypto, and then we'll go a bit further. Yes. So here we have mastery, crypto mastery, how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably. So first of all, what are cryptocurrencies? I know that there are many people who know already what cryptocurrencies are, and there are also those who may not be very clear as to what cryptocurrencies are. All right, so that's why we decided today to basically start from some sort of the basics and get people through, and then we go higher as we progress, right? So cryptocurrencies are basically digital currencies, digital virtual currencies that use the technology called blockchain. It's a digital, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that utilize a distributed network, decentralized network called blockchain. So unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are, they are on a distributed ledger. There's a blockchain is called a distributed ledger. Basically, a ledger, when a ledger is basically a record, right? The word ledger means record. So it's more like a record that exists in different places across different computers. So a transaction happens on one computer and it gets registered across several computers. Now, these computers are called ledgers. All right, so that's what a blockchain is all about. And cryptocurrencies are built on this technological blockchain. Now, there are several technologies today. We've been hearing a lot about AI. AI is a technology. The internet itself is a technology. There are so many different technologies right now, cloud computing, so many different things, machine learning. But cryptocurrency is also one of the most important, blockchain technology is one of the most important technological advancements of this era, So it's a very important one. And the beauty of cryptocurrencies is it has this investment angle to it that is easy for everybody to join, to get involved in. Right now, the AI space is very hot, but I can assure you that most people are not able to invest in this AI space. You use ChatGPT, you use all these new AI tools that are coming up, but how do you, as an ordinary guy, as a regular guy, make money from AI? It's really not there right, at this time, but cryptocurrency provides that opportunity, see? So number one is decentralized. Cryptocurrencies are just a few features of cryptocurrencies. Number one is decentralized. Cryptocurrencies operate in a decentralized network of computers, which means that there is no central authority governing it. No central authority governing it. That's the reason why you can, when you hold your cryptocurrency, it's really your money. It's really your money. It's more like you're not going to wake up tomorrow and you can't find it. As long as you have it somewhere where you control the access to it. That access to it is what we call private keys. It's more like you having a vault of your own. you know, a piggy bank or a vault. You know where the vault is, where you have your own money. You have it stored in your house, your own safe, your own vault where you have your own money. That's what that's what a wallet is, where you keep your money inside, right? Nobody controls it except you. Okay. Number two, then feature two, it has a block, it's built on the blockchain technology, which is this very important technology we've been talking about, right? So it's built on cryptography. Cryptography is a technique basically that is used to make sure transactions are safe and secure, you know? So when you encrypt something, it means that that thing is safe. So cryptography is the technology for encrypting and creating safety within networks, okay? So that's one feature that cryptocurrency has. Because why do we mention these things? There are lots of people who don't know much about cryptocurrency and they are a bit afraid. I don't know what this is. I don't know if I will lose my money. I don't know if I'll put money here, if I'll lose. Of course, in this kind of space where there's quite some knowledge going around and a lot of people don't know what the space is about, it means that some bad actors too can take advantage of that. So that's the reason why you as an individual who wants to profit from this space and make a lot of money from this space, this cryptocurrency market, you want to give yourself an allowance to learn some things, understand some things, so that you do not throw your money out and the scammer takes it. You know, there have been stories of that. So you want to be able to, because the opportunity is there. You don't want the fear of loss to scare you away from the big opportunity that exists in the crypto space. So the best thing, therefore, is to get some knowledge, right? So cryptography is a technology that is used within the cryptocurrency to create these crypto coins. And it means that because of that, there is no counterfeit, no fraud can actually happen within the network itself. Of course, people can, deceive people to take what belongs to them, but within the network itself, you can't find fraud within it. Okay. Limited supply. So an example of the most important, the number one cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Now, there are several other cryptocurrencies that will find that going on. Now, limited supply is one of the ways that cryptocurrency use to basically make sure that the value of the cryptocurrency is preserved. So if, for example, we can, like in governments right now, whatever government you belong in, whatever country you are in, the government can just come and print a lot of money. The United States government can print a lot of dollars. The Nigerian government can print a lot of naira. The Ghanaian government can print a lot of naira. Ghanaian cedis. Now, what does that do to the money that you have in your hands? It devalues the money that you have in your hands. If you have $1 million naira in the bank or you have 100,000 in the bank, by the time the government goes and prints 10 trillion naira, for example, what it means is that they flooded the market. These markets work by the laws of demand and supply. When there's a lot of supply, demand remains the same, price will definitely come down. So what that means is that the value of what you are holding has actually depreciated. The value of what you are holding has depreciated. Why? Because the government can print as much. But the thing with crypto is that the supply is limited. Bitcoin cannot be more than 21 million coins. And even within these 21 million coins, a lot of coins have been lost already. Lots of people in those years, the previous years where people didn't even know the value of Bitcoin, people lost a lot of Bitcoins. There was a time somebody bought a piece of pizza for 10,000 Bitcoins. He gave somebody 10,000 Bitcoins for pizza. 10,000 Bitcoins. 10,000 Bitcoins today is probably worth maybe $400 million. That's what somebody paid for pizza because they didn't know the value. So people threw away their Bitcoin. And when a lot of people threw away their Bitcoin, all that is still there. Nobody can access it. But then the number of Bitcoins do not increase. So which means that the value of Bitcoin can continue to go up. That's why you have projections that Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000 per one. Some people say it's going to go to 500,000 per one. Some people say it's going to $1 million per one. And the potential is there because there is scarce, it's a scarce commodity. Anonymity and pseudonymity, this one is another thing where people can transact on the platform. I may not be able to know who it is that is transacting. I can bank on the fact that the system, the platform itself is safe. And because the platform itself is safe, I don't have to bother about who is the other person that's sending me Bitcoin or who's the other person that is sending me cryptocurrency. As long as it sends the cryptocurrency on the cryptocurrency network, I know I'm going to get it. I don't need to know who is sending it to me. You see? Yeah. So there's privacy when it comes to cryptocurrency transactions. There are people who like to do a lot of transactions and they hold a lot of money and they don't want people knowing that they hold a lot of money. Nobody has to find out. There are people that on Binance is one of those platforms where cryptocurrencies are traded. You know, there are people who have millions of dollars on those platforms, but on their normal bank account, they don't have much. So you don't know this person has $2 million on a crypto platform, but on his bank account, he has just maybe 2 million or 3 million. You know, so the reason for that is because he wants privacy. He doesn't want people watching him for whatever purpose. Global accessibility. So these cryptocurrencies are they are digital currencies that you can transfer across the globe. Someone can send you cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever coin, or USDT from the United States, and you get it instantly. And he doesn't have to go to, send Wave or send or any of these other platforms that require you to pay money, go through a gatekeeper to transfer money. All of that is cut out. You go straight. It's transaction person to person. I can send you money, send you a cryptocurrency right now from here to anywhere. You receive it immediately, and then you can cash it to your local currency or whatever it is that is meant to be used for. Or maybe you use it to invest in whatever thing you want to invest in. Global accessibility. So it is easier to use cryptocurrency than even to use banks. So this is what all these things we're going through is basically showing you the allure of cryptocurrency. What is bringing people to the space? This is the future. This is the future. This is the attraction that that's bringing people to this space because it's the future. When it comes to transactions, when it comes to investment, it's the future. It's in crypto that you see, and all this attraction is that you're seeing, all these attractions are bringing people to crypto is the reason why you see you can make a lot of money in crypto. I was speaking with someone 2 weeks ago. A lady was telling me how she made, I think in 2021, she made $300,000 in crypto. $300,000, and her investments in total was maybe a few thousands, and it wasn't even at once. Like 200 here, 300 here, 50 here, 100 here, like that, put together, and within the course of, I think, a year or so, she made over $300,000. And then that bull market, because the only way you can make that kind of money is in a bull market. I mentioned bull and bear markets when we're starting, okay? So I said a bull market is when the prices are basically rising. It's cycles. Markets are in cycles. During bear markets, there's usually loss of enthusiasm. There's usually loss of enthusiasm. People are not investing much. People are rather spending money and all of that. It's just a quiet cycle in the market, right? Now, during the bull market is when interest, enthusiasm, monies again start flowing. We had a session like that during 2020, during COVID, and a lot of people had a lot of interest in crypto, invested in crypto a lot. Bitcoin went to 69,000. Now that cycle is coming back again now. Because after that cycle, there was a bear market. Now a bull market is about kicking off again. That's why the interest now, we're talking about it right now. Because there are people who are going to make all that money again. From now going into the new year and all of that, especially between now and the first quarter, is the time you want to be investing some money in cryptocurrency. That's why I said we're going to have multiple sessions of this kind of classes to basically help us understand it well and where we should be putting money on, and also how to trade crypto. We'll talk about all that. Then volatility. The volatility of crypto. What's volatility? Volatility is money flow. Money flow. Where is money flowing? How fast is money flowing? How well is money flowing? Whenever there's flow of money, you can make money. Wherever you see a flow of money, you can make money. Wherever there is no flow of money, you can't make money. You see? So the volatility of cryptocurrency is a very good attraction to be able to make money. That's why on a daily basis, besides the long-term investment you can do in crypto that can be several multiples, You can do daily trading in crypto as well. Just like you're thinking about trading crypto currencies, Euro USD, or you're trading gold, you can trade cryptocurrency on a daily basis too, and it's very highly profitable. And that volatility is the reason why that is so. Okay, so Bitcoin was created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009 was the first cryptocurrency. And since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have popped up. And usually these cryptocurrencies are called altcoins. They call them alternative coins. Okay, now alternative coins are very many. You can trade a lot of them. You can invest in a lot of them. Okay, then of course, so we have alternative coins. You have Ethereum, you have Repo, you have Litecoin, you have Cardano, and a whole lot of other altcoins. Okay. Cryptocurrencies can be used for all kinds of purposes. Can be used for online transactions, for smart contracts, as well as a store of value. The store of value part is the part we are interested in. As investors, we are interested in the store of value part of it. The store of value part of it is what we're interested in. All right. So how to make money in cryptocurrency? How do you make money in cryptocurrency? Number one, trading. Trading. Engaging in buying and selling cryptocurrencies on various exchanges for profit based on price fluctuations. So on the Vantage platform right now, we have all kinds of cryptocurrencies that you can trade. So it works with the same laws of demand and supply, support and resistance. All of that works with cryptocurrencies as well as it works in Euro USD, as well as it works in Gold USD. You can trade cryptocurrency and make a lot of money from cryptocurrency. You can, just like you can trade any other instrument and make a lot of money. It's one of the most volatile cryptocurrencies and one of the most profitable cryptocurrencies you can trade, assets or instruments that you can trade, cryptocurrencies, right? Now, there's long-term investing. Long-term investing is where you buy and hold. So you buy a particular currency right now, cryptocurrency right now, and you hold it. Now, there are several cryptocurrencies in the market that are available for you to buy and hold. Now, if you want to buy and hold a particular cryptocurrency for a long time to make a lot of money, you don't necessarily need to, that doesn't necessarily need to be Bitcoin. Because one Bitcoin today is about $43,000. So how many of that can you buy? And plus that, the all-time high of Bitcoin, how far he has ever gone in his entire life is somewhere around 69,000. So if Bitcoin is at 43,000 now, and the all-time high, the previous all-time high was 69,000, that means Bitcoin cannot go too far. It will go far over time, but not like immediately. So you cannot see Bitcoin do 10x right now. 10x is 10 times your money. You buy a coin for $100 and it goes to $1,000 in value. You can't do that in Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't have the capacity to grow like that. It grew like that some years ago, but Bitcoin itself cannot grow like that anymore. So what you then need to do is what we talked before, we talked about altcoins. Altcoins that have good fundamentals are the ones that can give you the opportunity to actually make multiples of your money when you are looking to invest long term. So if you invest $100 in something, and eventually in the course of 6 months, a year, that investment becomes 10 times, your $100 become 1,000. That is a good investment, right? Or your $50 becomes $5,000. That's a good investment. You see, so that is what you find that you can get in cryptocurrency long-term investing. That's part of what we're going to be discussing too in subsequent classes on the cryptocurrencies exactly that you can buy and hold, because the opportunities are there. You see, that's long-term investing. The initial coin offerings or token sales. This one is a bit more risky because this is early stage. Just like the project that is every cryptocurrency project, every cryptocurrency coin has a business underneath it. Every cryptocurrency coin has a business underneath it, which means that there is something that they are doing. There is a business or a certain platform that they are building that gives that cryptocurrency its power. So what does that mean? It means that, for example, look at let's pick any startup. Let's say we pick a startup like Flutterwave. Flutterwave has its own business. But Flutterwave, for example, can create its own coin and say, okay, this is our coin. We are trading a coin. The coin will be worth in value as much as the value of Flutterwave as a company is. So if a company comes out and they say we want to sell our coins to you at a very cheap price and eventually it's going to rise in value, you want to ask them some questions. What is it that you are doing that is going to give this coin value in the long run, in the next 1 year, in the next 6 months? What is it that you are doing? If that company is not a serious company and is not manned by serious people, it means that they are going to take your money and go away. So initial coin offerings, also when you get into it at the right time, the right coins at the right time, the gains you can make can be crazy. For example, Ethereum currently sells at currently has a value of somewhere around $2,800 thereabouts, over $2,000, $2,300 or $2,500 thereabouts. Ethereum right now. But Ethereum, when he did his initial coin offering, he actually did it at 30 cents. So imagine 30 cents. I know somebody who bought Ethereum at 99 cents. 99 cents. And he's still holding the Ethereum today. He spent a whole lot of money. Now imagine from 99 cents to 2,500. So you can see the gains there. So this is the attraction with initial coin offering and token sales. Now, all of these are still happening. We will delve more into this later on. So they are still happening. The opportunities are there. You can make a lot of money, but then also it requires some study, it requires some understanding, and there are risks involved, and there are limitations involved as well, right? But the potentials are crazy. There are times where you can buy a coin, and that coin will grow by 10 times, even within a very short period. I've seen coins that grow up 10 times in a week, 10 times in a week, 5 times in a week. Yeah. I've been involved in one coin that did, I think, 10 times in about a month or so. You see? So these are the opportunities. Here we have staking and yield farming. Staking and yield farming, there are some cryptocurrencies that ask you to buy their coin. You stake it in a particular wallet that they created. And what it does, it will be yielding you returns. It will be yielding you returns. When the period of that, that period goes through, when it goes past the period that you have staked it, you will now get your coins back with all the profit that you made. Now, this is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not like all those Ponzi schemes that tells you invest your money, will give you this return. No, this is different. This is done on the blockchain. Nobody can manipulate it. People can go. Another thing with blockchain is that when you tell people that this is happening on the blockchain, people who are tech savvy can actually go on the blockchain, use codes to actually verify what you're saying and know whether you are deceptive or you are truthful. So when these kind of platforms are succeeding, it is because people have looked into the codes that built up this thing and decided, okay, this thing is actually for real. This thing is actually true that these guys are telling me. So staking and yield farming, the opportunities are there as well. The arbitrage, this one can be very sweet when you see the opportunity. So you can look at two different cryptocurrency exchange. Let's say Binance and Remitano. Okay, these are two different cryptocurrency exchanges. You look at their value. You look at Binance. You look at Remitano. You see that one is 50 naira higher than the other one, or 50 rands higher than the other one, or 50 cedis higher than the other one. So you do your calculation. Oh, if I buy from here at a lower value, I can go right away and sell it here at the higher value. And the truth is that you can do that and you can repeat it multiple times and you can make a whole lot of money even within a very short time. It could be within a day. It could be within a week. Now, these arbitrage opportunities usually don't stay there for a long time. They don't stay there for a long time. The market has a way of balancing itself out. But when you see them, you can quickly take advantage of them, make a lot of money and move out of it. So this one happens. This one can make you a lot of money very quickly. It could be within a day. And you can do it multiple times. You do it 500, you make a profit, maybe $50 profit. You do it again, you do it again, you do it again, you do it again. You buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. It's very easy. But then those opportunities do not really last a long time. I have seen them several times, but I don't all the time. I watch for them, but I notice these days there are lots. I don't see a lot of it anymore, right? But the opportunities still exist. Once in a while, I look, I see that. But most of the time now, I don't see it a lot. I think it's because usually when markets get more efficient, those opportunities tend to give way to other opportunities. Especially arbitrage opportunities tend to give way to other opportunities, right? Mining is another opportunity where you can make money from it, right? There are miners are usually very big guys that they have to install all kinds of equipment and so on, many things to participate in the validation of transactions. So it's more like we talked about distributed ledger earlier, where we talked about different computers on a network. Now those individual computers are could be manned by individual network owners. So what happens is that when a transaction happens on the blockchain, it is registered in this computer, the other one. So all the computers where it is registering are built by people. So they help to validate it and put a check mark on it. Oh, check. Correct. The transaction has gone through. Check. The other one checks. The other one checks. 10 different networks, ledgers, which is those computers. 10 different ones, check it. Oh, this has gone through, this has gone through, this has gone through, this has gone through. So for Bitcoin, for example, when you send Bitcoin to somebody, it has to go through three confirmations. That's what we call confirmations. That's what we call it. So which means that 3 different computers located across the world, we have to check. We have to put a correct check mark on it that, oh, this has worked, this has gone through, this has gone through. Once it goes through 3 of them, then the Bitcoin can be delivered. But even when it's delivered, it still continues to go through computers 4, 5, 6. It continues like that. You see? So, but these miners that handle these computers, that own these computer networks, that helps to validate the transactions on the blockchain, are actually collecting money for it. They are getting paid for it. So there's a way this thing can work that is more expensive to do this right now. But a lot of big companies are still doing it. Now, it's not more easy for small people to do this. It's usually now big companies are able to do this, right? But then it's still an opportunity there. So strategies for trading cryptocurrencies. Number 1, day trading. Day trading. So day trading is where you actually come to the market and you trade based on different analysis. So you come into the market, you analyze the chart, you analyze the market, and you are able to trade. Yesterday, I was looking at the market, cryptocurrency market. By the way, the cryptocurrency market is open even on Saturday and Sundays. The normal markets are closed during the weekends, but cryptocurrency markets are open during the weekends, which means that you can make money in cryptocurrency 7 days a week, not just 5 days a week. But then during the weekends, volatility usually slows down, volume slows down. Why? Because the biggest traders are on break. They are on break. They are enjoying their weekends. So you will see that Bitcoin may not move as fast as it would move on a Monday morning, on a Tuesday morning, on a Wednesday morning. On Saturday or Sunday, it may not move that fast, except something happens in the cryptocurrency space that causes volatility and causes a lot of movements in the markets on Sunday. There's a major news happens that affects cryptocurrency markets generally. Then, of course, you will see market begin to move very crazily on a weekend. But besides that, markets don't move very crazily on a weekend. So day traders profit from short-term price movements. Like I said, I was looking at the cryptocurrency. I'm looking at Bitcoin movement yesterday. I'll open it later on. You can see opportunities, very good opportunities. One cryptocurrency I've discovered, especially Bitcoin, is one of the most predictable assets that you can trade. It's so sweet to trade and it's not complicated to trade. It's not complicated to trade. We'll be going deeper into the strategies for actually doing day trading in the next class, some of the classes we're going to be having in January, we're going to be doing that. So you can actually come into the market and decide if you want to stick to trading crypto. If you want to trade crypto, crypto is so sweet to trade. So sweet to trade. When there are sometimes when the market can be a bit quiet, but when it starts moving, it can break out and make you shit load of money in just a few hours. All you need to do is know how to be in the right direction, know how to be in the right position of the market. What is it? Where is it going? When you're in the right direction of the market, the gains are exceptional. All right. So you monitor charts, use technical analysis, indicators and all of that. Just the same indicator. If you are a trader right now, the tools that you're already using to trade Euro USD will work very well for Bitcoin as well. Not much is different. The major thing that's different between cryptocurrency and other assets is just the fundamental part. And by fundamental part, I mean the kind of news events that affects cryptocurrency is different from what affects currencies. Okay? So basically, currencies are affected by the dynamics of supply and demand that happens within the economy of that country. So whatever is happening in the US is going to affect US dollar. Whatever is happening in the Eurozone will affect the euro. Whatever is happening in Australia will affect the Australian dollar. But besides that, when it comes to Bitcoin, what affects Bitcoin is different. Maybe cryptocurrency news event, something happened to Binance, something happened with an ETF in the crypto space. All of those things are the things that affect Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So, but when it comes to monitoring the market on a daily basis, besides all the news events and fundamental events that influences the market periodically, on a normal day, the kind of trading you can do on Euro USD is the same kind of trading. The kind of tools that you use to analyze and make profit from Euro USD is the same you can use to analyze Bitcoin. Is the same thing you can use to analyze gold. So you can be trading Euro USD or GBP USD. You can be trading USD JPY. You can be trading gold. You can be trading Bitcoin and making profit from them all. Okay. Then swing trading. Swing trading, this one can be very good too with crypto. Very good too with crypto. All you need to know is know when to buy. There's a swing opportunity I saw in Bitcoin. I think it's up to 4 weeks ago right now, where Bitcoin got to the bottom. It was around, I think, 25,000 level. It got to that bottom. It stayed in that bottom for a little while. I was just looking at it. I was like, Bitcoin might buy from here. And eventually, Bitcoin has bought from there. Until today, Bitcoin is still buying from around that 25,000. So if you just traded and you were trading and you just traded 0.1 lot size, which is very small, which is like the minimum lot size for crypto. No, not the minimum lot size. You use 0.1 lot size. 0.01 is the minimum lot size. You use a 0.1 lot size, which is not big for crypto. 0.1 lot size, and you bought it at that low, you will still be holding it now. You can hold it all the way from now till it gets to 50, 60,000. Because we know in this next bull cycle that Bitcoin is coming to, or yes, in the next bull market right now that we're getting into, Bitcoin is going to go past its all-time high, previous all-time high of 69,000. So if you imagine buying a coin, making a buy trade at 25,000 and holding it until it gets to 70,000. It's crazy how much you can make, So that's what swing trading is all about. You know where to get into the trade. You know what's happening in the environment, in the entire market itself, and you get in on it. And you hold it for a few months. Now, these are different strategies. All of them are valid. It's just a question of which one. What kind of opportunity does this give me? I know somebody who entered a particular trade, and is still holding that trade since 2019 till now. 2019 till now. And that thing is running into thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in profit, and he's still holding it. Why? He has other trades that he's doing. He had other trades that is making him profit on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. So there are different types of investments you need to think about as an investor, as a trader, because a trader is an investor. Just that a trader is a short-term investor, and a long-term investor is usually more referred to as an investor. But basically, they are both investors. They are trying to make profit from their money. They are trying to profit from their money. As long as you're trying to use your money to make profit, you're an investor. So this is a very good opportunity. And in future classes, we're going to be doing analysis of several cryptos that are in good position for a buy to hold for a while. We'll do analysis for them so that you can know, buy this one now, hold it for this period. Buy this one now, hold it for this period. Buy this one now, hold it for this period. Then we'll have trend following strategy. So trend following strategy is very good during a bull market. During a bull market. So when you have a bull market like the one we are about getting into now, that we are already entering into right now, dabbling into right now, like between now and February or so, between now and the end of February, maybe into March, is the best time to be getting into crypto for that bull run, because that bull run is going to last maybe another 2 years or so. That's when you will see people will be telling you all the monies that they are making in crypto. This is how it starts. And being able to identify the time when it starts, identify it when it's starting, and being able to place money in strategic coins before market starts to take off, that is where the genius is. When you hear people say, oh, I made a lot of money, I made $100,000 in crypto, I made so and so money in crypto. How did they do it? They identified a period like this. There was a period like this in 2017. There was another period like this, I think in 2020, early 2020 or so. So when the one of 2017 happened, it made people a lot of money. Then the market came down again around 2018. Then around towards the end of 2019 to 2020, the market took off again and made a whole lot of money. Then the market slowed down again around 2022, 2023. So now towards the end of 2023 now, it's about to pick up again. So most likely between now and February into March, the best time to get in, and then that will be the movements in the market, the bull run that will get into next year, and towards the end of next year, you start seeing people talking about coins. Oh, this one has made me this one made me thousands, this one made me this thousand, this one made money here. But the rest of the people who couldn't identify when to enter will be trying to get in at that time when the profit has already been made. You see? And that's where scammers fill the market. They'll start telling you, get into this one now, you can still make money. Meanwhile, their goal is to take your money, right? So it's important to understand what's going on in the market. Like I said, between now, January into the new year, January or so, we're going to be doing a lot of January, February, we're going to be doing a lot of analysis of crypto and a whole lot of other assets, and then telling us how we can play them to be very profitable going forward. All right? So this is what we have for our class today. But before we ask any questions, let's look at what's happening. Let's look at the cryptocurrency market right now. This is Bitcoin, BTC USD. This is BTC USD, right? Now, when you look at this, this was the movements I was talking. Was it here? There was one okay, yes, I think this was it. This was the swing opportunity I was talking about earlier. When this happened, this was the swing opportunity. It happened here. Can you see it was around 25,000? Got to 25,000, and from 25,000, it has been buying. Currently, price is at 42,000. It has been buying. If you know how much movement this is, and this is something that anybody could have done. If you know how much movement this is how many pips, how many points there. This is about 1.8 million points. 1.8 million points. And this happened when? This happened in September, around September, right? So you can see how swing is. Swing is something that you can do over a long period of time, right? Over a long period of time. But then, as you are doing that, you are also doing some other things that are giving you money in the meantime. Giving you some money in the meantime while you're also doing that. You see? So that 1.8 million points right now, when you divide it by 100, that's what it means. So and when you divide it by 100, that's what it means. That's how much you would have made if you bought at this point with 0.1, with just 0.1 lot size on the platform. 0.1 lot size. Divide this 1.8 million by 1,000, actually. Divide it by 1,000. That's how much you would have made in profit in that period of time. You see? So let me see. Is it by 1,000? Let me see. 1.8 million points. 1.8 million points times 0.001. Okay, that's 1,800. You see? So, and that's still running. And we've not gotten to where we are going to. We've not gotten to where we are going to. The all-time high for BTC. Look at the all-time high. See where it's still going? So the all-time high is here. See, it's around 68, 69,000. Look at it, 69,000, approximately 69,000. That's where it got to. We're at 42,000 now. The bull run is going to drive price to that point. It will drive price back to that point. So as it does that, other coins, which we call the altcoins, alternative coins, are going to be rising in value, rising in value, rising in value. You see? So all of this, please get ready. We're going to be doing a lot of this in January, from January. Okay. So do we have any questions for now? Who has a question? If you have a question, just ask me. And the question, let us progress with that. We still have some time. Who has questions? Maybe about 10 minutes. Do we have any questions? You can drop the question in the comment section, or you can unmute yourself and ask. Whichever one works for you is fine. Questions and answer.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Um, um Personally, I've been a crypto long time. I've been following the trend for the past for more than half a decade now. Yeah,
Wow,
even when I
that's
was
a great one.
undergraduate till now. So I've been a
That's great.
skeptic, but there's something you just made the point now about the current run mirroring the last run. Is
Yes.
there because I actually trade in stocks. I prefer trading in tech stocks. In fact, I buy stock from US companies to
Yes.
investing in crypto. But the
Interesting.
truth is that crypto is more gameful. One cannot deny that crypto is more gameful than buying stock. But the thing is that stocks
Yes.
are more reliable. So,
Yes.
as someone who is experienced in buying stock,
Yes.
I've seen that most times stocks do not mirror runs do not exactly mirror the last run.
Mm-hmm.
They tend to be some outliers in terms of patterns. So, but you just
Yes.
hinted some minutes ago that
Yes.
the current upward trend
Yes.
there is a high chance that it will mirror what happened the last time.
Yes.
How is that going to happen considering the volatility? In fact, I'm still skeptical about what is going on now.
Okay. Yeah, I understand that.
What are the indications that it would exactly mirror the last run that you
Okay.
just hinted?
Okay, so which group are you from? There's a link I want to drop. Okay, let me see if I can do this. There's a place I need to drop this in now. How do I post this? I want to actually post a comment in the comment section. I want us to see something. It will answer this your question right now. How do I post it here? Give me a minute. Just let me connect my phone to this Zoom so that I can share it. 1 minute, please. Okay. Please look at the comment section. Can you see something? Can we see this? Okay, you don't know much about, yes, we will have classes for you, right? We have classes for you. And like I said, I talked with someone in the group earlier. I said, we have classes for you that we do on Zoom. We have classes like we do for you on Zoom. So if you're not, we have physical classes in our office, in Vantage Market office, and then we also have classes on Zoom, all right? So we're going to be giving you our next schedule for classes that we have. The next classes we have now are going to start in January again because we just rounded our classes now. So yeah, but I will give you some classes that we've done before in video format in the group, right? We'll do that. But can we see this? Can we see what I posted now, what I'm saying, what I'm showing you guys?
Yeah. Yes, we can. We can.
Exactly. So these are patterns that have been studied in the market. There are funds, huge fund managers, huge platforms that basically what they invest only in crypto. They don't do stocks, they don't do currencies, they don't do commodity investing, they do crypto investing. So these are the cycles that have been definitely studied and discovered. This is the way it is, right? So when you look at this, it has played out again and again and again, just like there are certain patterns that happens towards the end of the year. All the time, it happens. Now, it will happen, may not happen 100% of the time, but when something starts to happen 80% of the time or more, that's excellent. That's an excellent chance that that's going to happen over and over again, right? So this is what it is. When you look at this, you can, all that is required is a lot of these patterns right now already playing out. That's why we're calling this era the pre-bull market. What we are seeing now is likely going to take Bitcoin to a very high level. And then once Bitcoin moves, other coin moves with it. So, all right. So this is the research that professionals and people who are basically based in this space of crypto have done. You see, so it's something that we are looking forward to, and it's going to be really big.
Yeah, of course. There's some degree of congruency. Yeah. I could really see the pattern.
Yes. So that's something that you can just save and watch it and keep your eyes on. Yeah. So whatever it is, you can always focus on whatever you're. Sorry?
I've never traded cryptocurrency before. I just want to go into it.
Okay.
So how do we master it?
Okay, so the way to master it is basically through understanding the market, which is through learning about it. Okay, so what we are going to do on our own from here, from Vantage Market, is that we're going to be having future classes going from January, where we're going to be doing these classes also to help you understand the different parts and how to trade it. There are several strategies I use when I am in crypto personally, as when it comes to trading. Right? I've done investing before in crypto too. I made some money in investing, but over the period of the bear market, when there's the bear market in crypto, it's usually best to trade rather than invest, right? Like hold it for a long time. That's what I mean by invest. So all those strategies of trading are things that I'm going to be teaching us going forward. And also we're going to be also looking at coins that we can invest in for a long time. Do we understand? And also when you go online, when you go maybe on YouTube or something, can always get a whole lot of that as well to add to the things that we give you and all of that, you know?
All right, thank you very much.
Okay, all right, sir. Do we have any questions, any more questions?
I have another question. Can one buy cryptos directly from the Vantage platform? Just like
you can trade it. You can do the trading part on the crypto platform on our Vantage platform, but you can't buy and hold it on the Vantage platform. So the trading part is what you do the trading part here. Then the investing, you can do like we find coins that you can buy and hold. Those coins, you will do it separately. We'll show you how to do that in a way that is safe, because you need to have a wallet where you can hold those coins, and hold it for a while. Yes, in a safe way. Yeah.
Okay. In what currency do one even trade on Vantage? Is it US dollars or Naira?
It's dollars. It's dollars. So what you do is you can fund your account with Naira. We'll convert it to dollars for you. Or you can fund your account in crypto as well. We're open to that. But then most of the time our clients fund their account with Naira. So we have Naira bank accounts where you just transfer your money into, right? When you transfer at the current rate, we credit your account in dollars. Yes, that's how we do it.
Okay, that means that a domiciliary account can also fund the account.
A domiciliary account can fund the account as well. Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yes. All right, sir. So we have any more questions? We have just 3 minutes to the end of the session. Who has any more questions?
Yes, I have a question. How do we suppose you want to get your money back?
Yes.
How do you get it? Is it the same way you get money back from the normal forex trading?
Okay, so for crypto, right?
Like if you want to withdraw, your money. How do you withdraw it?
Okay, so now when it comes to like on our platform Advantage, when you fund your account to trade crypto, it's just like you trading forex, which means that your money is in dollars in your account. Let's say you trade and you make $100 profit, or you make $200 profit. You can withdraw it the way you withdraw money from normal trading. It goes straight to your account as well. We'll pay it to your account directly. Yeah. So that's the way it's done. Then if you are investing in crypto,
thank you very much.
Yeah, if you're investing in crypto and you're investing in all the other coins we talked about, those ones you just hold the coins. By the time you want to sell them, you just convert them to you can sell them to convert them to another crypto like USDT, and then you transfer to your account. It's as simple. So we'll talk a bit more, a bit in details about all of that.
Thank you very much.
Yes. All right, sir.
All right. I want to ask, sir, please, do we have a community that's for the Vantage market? Is there any community where prospective clients can interface and all of that?
Yes, we do. We have the Vantage Africa group. We're building that group right now, where we have a whole lot of plans for that Vantage Africa group. I don't know if that's where you came from. Is that where you came from? Or you came from?
No, I got a personal mail from you.
Okay. So that group, hold on. Let me send a link to that group into this place right now, so that we can join it.
All right.
Yes. 1 minute, please. Yeah. Okay, so I just sent a link to the group now. Please click on it. It will take you to our Vantage Africa group. Just join it. Like I said, that group, we're building it. And then we have a whole lot of things we're going to be doing with all these classes and sessions and stuff we're going to be doing in that group from January. The whole lot of plans we have for that group, you'll see. Right? So just join it, and that's where we'll be able to interface and talk and chat and all of that. I'm there. A whole lot of our team members are there. And then there's a whole lot we're going to do there.
Okay. Yeah. Hi.
I'm not seeing the link.
So you've not seen the link? It's in the chat session on this Zoom. The chat. Open the chat section of this Zoom right now. You see it there.
Okay.
Yes. It's a Telegram group.
Hi. Just one last question from my side is, there's tons of
I've seen it. I've seen it. Thank you.
Okay. Who have we all seen it?
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay.
On my account management here, I can see copy trend accounts, live accounts, and the live account is 2 accounts. I don't know the one to put money.
Okay.
To put money in, and the one that I will be able to withdraw to my account,
okay,
either
so
my first bank account or other accounts.
So the thing is that you can put money into any one of them. All you just need to do is go to your deposit section. Go to his deposit section on the you log into your client portal. Okay, sorry, someone is saying they've not seen the link. 1 minute, let me paste the link again. So you go to your client portal. I've posted the link again, please check. So you go to your client portal, you'll see, go to the deposit section. Once you click on the deposit section, it will take you to, it will show you Nigerian bank account, right? So click on that Nigerian bank account, right? It will show you how to make the deposit. It will show you the account. It will give you the account, our account details. You make the deposit to that account, then the receipt, you load it there. You will see a live account number showing there. Don't worry about it. Just deposit, transfer to us, and then upload the receipt of transfer. There's a place where you upload the receipt. We will credit one of those accounts. It's going to be most likely the one that is showing. So it doesn't matter. You can transfer between accounts. Even if you think that, okay, we funded one account, I want to trade on another one, you can transfer. There's a feature where you can transfer money from one account to another on our platform there. And then whenever you want to withdraw, yes, whenever you want to withdraw, you can withdraw from anyone, and it will be sent to your bank account.
Yeah, the one I'm seeing here, Nigeria Instant Bank Account too.
Exactly.
Nigerian Local Bank Transfer primary credit card.
Yes, local bank. Local bank is what to use, the one that says local bank.
Okay.
Yes. So,
and if I want to transfer to my local bank after making
withdrawal,
profit,
right? Exactly.
Yeah, withdrawal.
So you see under funds now, you see funds there, you see deposit, you see withdrawal.
Yeah, I've seen funds.
Yes.
Yeah, I see withdrawal and deposits.
Yes. And so you see withdrawal. So when you click on withdrawal, it will take you through the process.
Okay.
Yes. So someone's saying, hi, there are many scammers around. Would you cover how? Yes, I would do that, but not in this class. We're out of time already. We're going to talk about that in our subsequent classes. Like I said, we have a lot of plans for these classes going from January. So we will be putting them in the group. Please click on the link, join the Telegram group, and then you'll be able to get further updates from us from there and a whole lot of other things. Okay. All right. Thank you very much,
I can't
guys.
find the link. Where
you
is
can't find the link? The link is in the chats. Look for chats, under chats.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay, you have seen it. Okay. All right.
I've seen the chats, but I can't see the link.
Can you see other posts there? People are posting there. Can you see what other people are posting there?
Can only see my own there.
Oh, something is wrong, though. There are other people posting there. Check I think is that general link? Is there a general part or a direct? That's I think there's something like a general area or a personal area.
It's just
You're saying I can't find the link. I'm seeing your comments. You're saying I can't find the link, but I'm posting the link. I'm trying to see how do I get you the link now. Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can send you. Let me see if I can send you the link directly then.
Yeah, so I have the same issue too. So if you don't mind.
Okay. And you just
I've seen it now.
Okay,
I've seen the link now.
Okay, so send me, just say I can't find it, or just post something there. Let me see you so that I can copy and paste to you too. If you can't see it, should see the link, just type something in the comments. Okay.
I've sent the link now. You have just sent the link to me now.
Okay, so let me send to Solomon. Solomon, can you see the link now? Nathan, can you see the link now?
Yes, I've seen it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So, Mr. Solomon, have you seen the link now?
Hello, good morning. Good afternoon.
Okay, good morning. Yeah, good afternoon.
I still can't see the link on my own.
Okay, so you just put something in the chat. Just say, put anything in the chat so that I can click on you.
Message. Yes, I sent a message already.
In the group? I can't see you. What's the name, sir?
Gamaliel Philip.
Okay, no, I can't see any Gamaliel there. In the chat section, can you just drop any? Okay, I've seen Jangamale. All right. Let me send it to you. Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Yes. Anybody else with that issue?
No.
Okay. Please, let's click on the link and then follow. We'll take it off from there. So thank you guys for coming. We're out of time. I'll see you on the next class. Thank you.